Hello, we are in Dana Point, California at Beachwood Park and Village, which is an all-age manufactured housing community in Dana Point, California. We are less than 1 mile from the Dana Point Harbor. We are going to be taking you through this home and that home. They are both 510 square feet approximately, built by Silvercrest. They are the same floor plan. They have different countertops and cabinets. These homes are not complete yet, but these homes are going to sell very quickly, so I wanted to make sure that I gave you all a chance to check out these homes before they sell. So make sure you stick it out till the end because you're going to want to check out these cabinets. We're going to be going in this home last. So these are Silvercrest 15 by 34, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. As you could see, we added and dressed these up a little bit by adding those the shutters. We also added the stack windows. You're going to notice that there is a lot of natural light. I'm going to take you back here where we built a nice patio area, all this colored concrete. And that's the back of the other space. So as you could see, you could fit a large table, even some sofas and chairs, and all that good stuff. So let's go take a look. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We premiere new and pre-owned manufactured tiny homes, park models, accessory dwelling units, and so much more. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Hope you enjoy this tour. First, let me show you this door here. Let me get back in the street. But look at that door. That's an upgrade. So you know what your options are. A lot of times you have a standard white door. We painted it black. It also has like that textured glass so that you get more privacy. Tell us what you think about that door in the description. Here we go. All right. Here's the windows that I was talking about. How we put those extra large windows in there, bringing in a lot of natural light. You can see how low they go to the ground. Usually it's probably, the windows go about right there. We also put the window trim on there, so that's nice here in Southern California. This is actually a very spacious 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Over there, you could put like an entertainment center if you'd like. So in this home, we have the white cabinets with the grayish quartz countertops, quartz backsplash, gooseneck faucet. And one thing that I love about Silvercrest is they have soft closing doors. Let's get this angle here. So right over here, you'd put your table. You could put your TV over there if you want. It's probably better with the nightstand over there. You have some shelving, 9-foot flat ceilings with crown molding. Over here, it's dark. These homes are still being built. But I want to show you in here, we have the quartz countertops. Oh, another toilet up. I never do my homework. We added those overhead cabinets. Look at the trim around the mirror. We upgraded this shower to an all-tile shower. Take a look at that. Let me get in here a little more. Tell us what you think about the shower in the description of the video. I'm tripping over here. Oh, right there is where your stackable washer and dryer go. Now we have 2 different closets. Nope, there's where the furnace is. And then we have this linen closet, which is nice with all of the since we do have limited storage. And now we're going into this bedroom. Oh, it's actually bigger than I thought here. You can easily fit a queen size bed in here, even a king. It might be a little tight, but you'll be able to get a king in here for sure. So now let's go ahead. We're gonna hurry over to the second home so that you can see the different color options.
I mean, we all saw the footage come out. I thought to myself, this girl, if the Marine Corps hasn't reached out to her, they should. Because you are so tough.
There we put Trek steps on both of these homes. They're a lot less maintenance. Oh, let me back up here so you could see these color choices. This is like an aqua, a blue. In these spaces, we do have limited space, so that's why you don't see the eave on that side. And then, oh, notice we put the board and bat on the skirting. We don't see that very often. I like having that board and bat right there. You're gonna see these bathrooms. Sorry, guys. These homes. It's all white. What do you prefer? The white countertops or the gray? We'd love to hear what you think. Thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. See you next time.